are here at the Best Western Belize Biltmore Plaza with Miss Universe, of course, and it's a pleasure to have you here today.
Thank you very much. Hi everyone, I'm Salguero, Miss Universe Belize, and it's my pleasure to be here as well, Chef.
Thank you. Today we're going to do something very simple, very nice. We're going to put together a combination of cassava and plantain with some sage shrimp, and that sage shrimp is going to accompany it with a nice sweet habanero sauce. First, we're going to turn our stoves on. The pot is almost reaching its temperature right now, so you can now apply your oil.
That's good?
No, a little more.
A little more?
That's fine.
Okay, perfect.
Now we're going to add our garlic.
Sure. How
Already
much?
been chopped.
There we go.
We're going to add some fresh basil.
Some fresh
You can just
basil.
eventually pick it up, yes. Break it up. And be using your wrist. Remember I said.
Oh, we're going to exercise.
And if we can get a little bit flammage up there, it's okay. Then we're going to add some tomatoes.
Sure. How much tomatoes are we adding?
5 tomatoes.
5 tomatoes. There we go. That
You hear
sizzle.
that? Can you guys see TV land, people? And this is
Wow.
That's what I want. That's, wow.
The wow factor.
Right, and add our peas. Our
Sure.
green peas. Two of that. Okay, here we go. Then we're gonna make some sauce again.
Mix and toss. I'm not as professional as you are,
A
but.
little down, down.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Whoa.
There you go. All right.
Thank you.
Just a couple of shrimps, it's okay.
Sure.
Doesn't have to measure. There we go. Now again, then we're gonna, again, this is all good flambéed.
Wow.
With that, now that while that is cooking, we're gonna take a little bit of the Caribbean rum
Okay.
and we're gonna add to that. And we're gonna add just a sliver.
Okay.
See? Okay, there we go.
Wow. Just a little touch for that
Just a little
kick.
touch, yeah. You see how the flame look different?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of butter.
A little bit of butter. Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
And some pesto sauce.
Some pesto. I love pesto. Oh, this smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it.
Now here we go again. It's all tossing. You notice how the shrimp are looking?
Yes.
Nice
and pink, yes.
Second to last is the salt and pepper.
Okay.
Shake that in a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, perfect.
And the final beautiful, flavorful thing now is the sweet habanero sauce.
Ooh, all right.
We're gonna take 2 spoons of that.
2 spoons.
Two
Ooh.
spoons of that.
1 and 2.
Then we're gonna toss it again.
I'm gonna try my best here.
Okay, this is not gonna flame this time.
Okay.
So all of the irons out of that, now it's already done.
Very done.
So what we're gonna now take off our stove, and then we're gonna assemble together now this nice appetizer. I'll take one at a time, and each one must have a tomato. With it, some green peas. There you
Okay.
go.
Sure.
Oh, you just wanted to like me?
I'm actually right. I'm ambidextrous, but
Oh, okay, excellent.
there we go.
There we go. Then we're gonna take some of, excellent. We're gonna
Perfect.
take the sauce now
Some sauce
and add over it.
over it. Oh, nice.
So there where your fully flavor will comes in.
There we go.
We have another component which is the plantain. The plantain will sit
As a
on top
garnish.
As a garnish.
Wow.
So there we go. Plantain.
Definitely the art of presentation. You have that.
Thank you.
There you go.
We go with a little bit more sauce on top of that
Okay.
because the plantain will get some flavor as well.
Yes.
And we're gonna garnish it now with some chives.
Just a little
That's
sprinkle.
correct. Sprinkle.
Just a little touch.
There you go.
There we
You
go.
have your appetizer.
There we go.
You can hold your plate for your presentation.
I wish you guys could smell it. It already smells delicious.
Thank you very much.
First of all, thank you for having me, chef, and all the new tricks you taught me. And this recipe, I definitely plan on recreating it back home. Now the taste test. Wow, definitely a lot of flavor. I recommend you guys try this. Try recreating it at home, and I hope it comes out just as delicious as this one did.
Now you can ask for this appetizer that we have just created by Miss Universe and myself at the Best Western Belize Biltmore Plaza Hotel at any given time.